In January 2025, a Chinese AI company called DeepSeek released a free model. It outperformed GPT-4 on multiple benchmarks. US AI companies lost hundreds of billions in market value in 24 hours. The entire AI industry called it a wake-up call. Yesterday, a different Chinese lab did it again. Moonshot AI, based in Beijing, released Kimi K2.6, fully open source, free to download, 1 trillion parameters, beats GPT 5.4 and Claude Opus 4.6 on the hardest AI coding benchmarks, costs 8 times less than Claude Opus on the API. Today, what Kimi K2.6 is, what it can do, the benchmarks that matter, and what this tells us about where the AI race is actually going. I am Mario, this is AI Alpha, let us get into it. Moonshot AI is a Beijing-based startup founded in 2023. Most people in the West have never heard of them. In China, one of the most used AI products. Kimi is their consumer chatbot. Kimi K2, July 2025, K2.5. January 2026, K2.6. April 20, 2026, yesterday. No press conference, no launch event, just a technical blog post and a Hugging Face upload. Developers found it, started running benchmarks. By end of day, results were everywhere. What is Kimi K 2.6? In plain English, it is a mixture of experts model, 1 trillion parameters total, only 32 billion active at any given moment, 384 specialized sub networks. It routes each problem to the best 8. Why this matters? You get the intelligence of a 1 trillion parameter model at the cost of running a 32 billion parameter model. More power, less compute. That is why it can be priced at 60 cents per million tokens, while competing with models that cost $5 or more. Also, natively multimodal, sees images and video, not just text. 256K token context window, roughly 200,000 words at once. The benchmarks: honest picture, HLE full, with tools, humanities last exam, the hardest AI benchmark currently used. Kimi K 2.6, 54. Claude Opus 4.6, 53. GPT 5.4, 52.1. K 2.6 is first on the hardest benchmark in AI, SWE Bench Pro, real GitHub issue resolution in real repositories. K 2.6 scored 58.6, GPT 5.4 scored 57.7, Claude Opus 4.6 scored 53.4. K 2.6 is first again on the benchmark that matters most for actual coding. BrowseComp with agent swarms, web research. K2.6 scored 86.3, GPT 5.4 scored 78.4. A significant gap where it does not win. This is where pure math. GPT 5.4 leads at 99.2 on AIME 2026 benchmark. K2.6 scores 96.4. Vision Gemini 3.1 Pro leads here. Enterprise reliability. Claude Opus 4.6 still leads on agentic stability overall. The pattern: K2.6 is strongest where the task looks like real engineering work. Coding, agentic reasoning, long horizon tasks. That is where it leads. Two features that are genuinely different. Agent swarm. 300 AI sub-agents simultaneously, each taking up to 4,000 steps. K2.5 could do 100 agents and 1,500 steps. This is 3 times more powerful. In practice, K2.6 ran autonomously for 13 hours on an 8-year-old financial system. Over 1,000 tool calls, over 4,000 lines of code modified, 185% improvement in throughput, no human intervention, 13 hours of uninterrupted autonomous engineering work. Claude groups, humans and AI agents from any device collaborating on the same task. Your phone, your laptop, Claude, Kimi working on the same project simultaneously. K2.6 coordinates who does what, detects failures, and reassigns tasks automatically. The cost story: Claude Opus 4.7, $5 per million input tokens. Kimi K2.6, only $0.6 per million input tokens. 88% cheaper for performance that is comparable and in some areas even better. Spending $10,000 a month on Claude Opus for coding tasks, K2.6 handles the same workload for around 1,200. And if you have the hardware, download the weights from Hugging Face. Run it yourself. No API costs at all. Moonshot AI, Beijing founded, 2023, open source. Released Kimi K2.6 yesterday with no fanfare. It's GPT-5.4 and Claude Opus 4.6 on the hardest AI coding benchmarks. Costs 8 times less. Fully downloadable. Second time in 15 months, a Chinese open source AI has arrived and forced the entire industry to recalibrate. The AI race is not a two-horse race between OpenAI and Anthropic. It is a race where open source models from labs most people have never heard of keep showing up and matching the most expensive closed models in the world. Had you heard of Kimi before this video? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one of them. Subscribe for more plain English AI every single day. See you in the next one.